In this video, I will show you when to use Perplexity Deep Research to tackle your most complex information needs. I start by navigating to the search bar and clicking on the mode selector to switch from the default setting to Deep Research. This mode is specifically designed for deep dives, where I need the AI to spend several minutes researching, reasoning through sources, and synthesizing a comprehensive report on my behalf. After a search is complete, I have the option to export the final report as a PDF, a markdown file, or even convert it into a Perplexity page to share my findings with others. Now let's look at when this tool is most effective compared to a standard search. In finance, when I ask for a pre-market checklist, the deep research result provides a massive, structured report covering global sentiment and specific market movers, whereas the default view only gives a brief summary. Whether you're analyzing complex market trends or conducting in-depth technical research, this tool transforms hours of manual searching into a single, comprehensive report. It doesn't just find links, it connects the dots for you, providing high-level accuracy and structured insights exactly when you need them. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.